Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, this is a really quick video. It's only 2.5 minutes and it's me doing some real-time lettering, and I'm using the Mac 162 brush here. I think that's a maybe 3/4 inch. I don't think this is the 1-inch brush, but yeah, I just love working with these brushes. They're fast. They can keep up with me because I'm really quick. Part of the key is to doing lettering like this is you got to make sure your black is the right viscosity. If it's too thick, it's going to drag. If it's too wet, it's going to drip. So that's really important. And you just, after a while, you get a feel for it. You know, I've done so many of these windows and so much lettering that I got the hang of it. And it's really hot out today. It's like 97 degrees here at Ivy Land in Fallon, Nevada, which is where I'm painting. And I'm going to be making a lot of videos off of the footage I found. I lost the GoPro footage, this footage, and I found it, so I'm gonna be making all kinds of you know, singular videos, not a big long one, but just showing a couple minutes of me working on a specific spot. But here I have the blend. It's going across, and I just follow the lines. It's really easy to make it fit in there. And originally, when I write the word gymnastics, you've seen me before do it, where I just, you know, hand letter it in my mind. So I got to get the feel of where the letters go. That's a little trick of mine. And as you'll see, it comes out all the way to the end and it fits. And sometimes I'll kern the letters too. I'll adjust in my mind as I'm going along. But this is a window splash style of lettering. It's just quick. You know, this is all real time. So I wrote the word gymnastics basically in 2.5 minutes, which is pretty quick if you think about it. My camera's jiggling around again because I've got a kind of a funky thing that it's hanging on, but this is one of my really common freehand styles of lettering: promotional lettering, casual lettering. I love doing the S's. I kind of do them in an unorthodox way, maybe because I'm left-handed. Anyway, thanks for watching this little couple-minute video, and hope you liked it. And subscribe if you haven't already.